Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 8th of April 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Austrian engineering group STRABAG has moved to enforce the first known investment treaty award against Germany after a dispute on policy framework changes. The arbitration award requires the German state to pay €334 million to two of STRABAG's subsidiaries. The dispute arose after STRABAG began investing in 15 offshore wind projects in the German North Sea in 2011 and 2012. After they had invested approximately €122 million, Germany began to withdraw its regulatory framework. Germany also amended its laws in a manner that delayed STRABAG's projects and significantly reduced their value. NexGen Energy said on Monday they were granted Green Lane certifications for 4 planned wind farms in Real and Mauban, Quezon, which will cost 300 billion pesos. The Green Lane certification program is an initiative by the government to promote strategic investments in the economy. Under the program, national and local government agencies are required to streamline the process of obtaining permits for strategic investments that have a Green Lane certificate. Australia's Macquarie Group has cancelled the sale of one of the world's largest offshore wind power developers due to lack of interest. The announcement comes amid opposition against the offshore wind energy market segment by the U.S. administration and persistently high interest rates, which makes project development too expensive. Given challenging market conditions in the offshore wind sector, Corio Generation is refocusing its global operations to prioritize the development of a smaller portfolio of projects which have the clearest route through to construction. A top South Korean trade official said the government is reviewing multiple packages to present to the U.S. administration as it seeks to reduce a trade surplus in a bid to negotiate a lower tariff rate. Embarking on a 2-day trip to Washington, Trade Minister Seong In-kyo said on Tuesday that South Korea will seek to increase liquefied natural gas imports from the U.S. South Korea, a key U.S. ally and an export powerhouse in Asia, is among the nations most vulnerable to protectionist policies, as its economy relies heavily on earnings from abroad. South Korea recorded a surplus of $55.7 billion with the U.S. in 2024. Real Group launched a repair shop in Albacete, Spain in 2022, which has now serviced over 18,000 parts. By reconditioning mechanical, hydraulic, electrical, and electronic components, Real offers wind and solar operators a smarter alternative to costly replacements. This keeps assets running longer and reduces emissions associated with sourcing replacements. Real plans to expand this capability to other regions where they operate globally. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.